If you're locked out of your Google account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will help you navigate the recovery process effectively. Step 1. Go to the Google Account Recovery page. Visit the Google Account Recovery page by entering accounts google.com/signin/recovery in your browser. This page is designed to help you recover your account. Step 2. Enter your email or phone number. Input the email address or phone number associated with your Google account. Click Next to proceed. Make sure you enter the correct information to ensure a smooth recovery process. Step 3. Verify your identity. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. This may include receiving a verification code via SMS or email, answering security questions, or confirming your identity through other means. Complete the verification to move forward. Step 4. Choose to reset your password. Once your identity is confirmed, you will be given the option to reset your password. Choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used before. Enter the new password and confirm it. Step 5. Review account recovery options. After resetting your password, review your account recovery options. Ensure your recovery email and phone number are up to date. This will help you regain access more easily in the future if you encounter issues again. By following these steps, you should be able to reset your login credentials and regain access to your Google account. Remember to keep your recovery information updated to avoid getting locked out again.